Hi you guys, thanks for joining me for my video today. I hope that you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I love celebrating Thanksgiving. It's just a really great time of year. We all have something to be thankful for. This year, I'm extra thankful for my family and for my health. So life is short, so just being happy, staying positive, watching my family grow is just something I am so thankful for. So I just had a wonderful day yesterday, spending time with family, eating a ton of food, and it was great, nice and relaxing as well. But my favorite part about Thanksgiving is definitely also the leftovers. You cannot go wrong with Thanksgiving leftovers. I always make sure we have tons of turkey leftovers so I can make lots of recipes with it. So today I am using up the turkey. So if you have some extra turkey left over from yesterday, this is an awesome recipe I'm gonna make for my meal prep. It's gonna be a turkey salad lettuce wraps. So if you make like a chicken salad, I'm just gonna substitute the chicken for turkey. You can definitely, if you don't have turkey, you can use chicken. Rotisserie chicken is wonderful in this, or diced cooked chicken, even canned chicken as well. But I have my leftover turkey, and I'm gonna make over this turkey salad with mayonnaise, dried cranberries, gives this such a great sweet flavor, a little bit of dill seasoning, some celery, and then I'm going to use lettuce wraps to wrap the chicken salad in. You can put this on a sandwich, on a croissant roll. It's so good and so easy. I don't even have to cook for this whole prep. So I will put all of the ingredients in the description box. If you want to make this, check that out. Like I said, I hope you all had a really wonderful Thanksgiving. And thank you all so much for your support on my channel. I'm definitely so grateful, so thankful for that. This has been so fun making these videos for you, and I really appreciate your support. So thank you. And I will get this turkey salad wraps ready to go.
All right, this is so easy. I have my 2 cups of turkey that I just diced up a little bit. I have 1 cup of mayonnaise, so I'll mix all of that in there. I have half a cup of dried cranberries, which really gives this so much wonderful, yummy flavor. And I have a 1/4 cup of diced celery. It gives it really great texture. And a teaspoon of dill, also another flavor that I love in this turkey salad. So I use the same recipe for chicken salad, just with a rotisserie chicken instead of the turkey. But it is so good. My husband loves this also, so I'm going to love making this big batch ready to go. Just really healthy and so easy. So if you have some leftover turkey, this is the best to make with it. You will love it.
All right, so this turkey salad is so simple, so great to make if you have some leftover turkey from Thanksgiving. So I'm gonna portion it into my meal prep containers. I have my little pieces of lettuce I'm gonna use for lettuce cups. Like I said, you could use bread for sandwiches, even crackers. This is so good. So I'm gonna add a few pieces of lettuce to each container, and then I will add in my turkey salad onto the side so that the lettuce doesn't get soggy. All right, so I'm just gonna scoop my turkey salad off to the side, and this is gonna be so good. It's such a great way to kind of extend all the yummy Thanksgiving food. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this idea to use up your Thanksgiving leftovers, a little inspiration to do some meal prepping after Thanksgiving. So check the description box for the recipe. Like I said, I'll put the ingredients in there. And click subscribe to my channel if you are new, if you haven't been here before. Click subscribe and also the bell button next to subscribe so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. I have lots of new videos coming up. In December, I'm going to do Vlogmas, which I'm so excited about. It's going to be a video every day for the month of December to get into the holiday spirit. And I feel like I'm already in it with Thanksgiving just over yesterday. I'm definitely feeling in the Christmas spirit now. So check back every day in December. I will have so many awesome videos to share with you guys. Really appreciate you stopping by. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Put a thumbs up on this video if you like it. And I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.